simply go and in the evening stand there on any tea stall and say, Bhaiya, I have opted the public administration as an option. Immediately two people will oppose. Immediately. Public administration. No one is getting marked for past 10 years. I am here for past 5 years. Next day you go and say geography. Geography is a big option. Syllabus is very big. History, dates, years, philosophy. You will turn towards spiritualism. Simple parameter is interest. If you have there are two parameters to choose the option. First parameter, interest. Interest gives you understanding, and the understanding of a subject gives expression, and that expression provides marks. When you express the thing in a good way, you will get the marks, and that expression will be because of understanding. If you don't understand, you will never be able to express. But then if you say, I don't have interest in any subject, then you can go for a coach. You find any particular teacher which is very interesting in a particular subject, go for a teacher. Because teacher will reduce your effort by 60%. Teacher will develop the interest in you, don't worry. These are the two parameters. Either the teacher or your parameter, that is the interest. If you have any doubt regarding syllabus and books, clear it. And if you ask questions in the class, that will be very good for you and me also. By chance, if you did not get the time to ask, then you can meet me outside. Otherwise, it will be very good that you interact in the class. Normal law, mastering world history, 5th edition. No selective. You have to read all the. Here in this book, it's from 1914. But when you are covering 1950 from here, then why to start 1950 from here?
ओल्ड हिस्ट्री 6-7 स्टैंडर्ड की पढ़नी चाहिए.
6-7 में है नहीं बेटा. 6 is ancient, 7 is medieval. सही है, क्वेश्चन जेन्युइन है, पढ़ेगा. हाई नहीं, कहाँ से पढ़ोगे फिर? Now write down the first chapter, Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution. First chapter, Industrial Revolution. I will dictate in the first 2 units, Industrial Revolution and American History, US. Dictation and discussion both. So till 5th lecture, this is the second lecture. Till 5th lecture there will be discussion and dictation. After that you will understand the approach, the way I teach. So after 5th lecture you will get the handouts, notes. Before the class you will get the notes in the same format as you are going to prepare. Prepare it and come to the class with the notes. There will be only discussion. Only discussion and discussion of your doubts and queries. No need to prepare extra notes. I will give you in the class or handouts, prepared notes. Leave the space on the page which you are writing. So when you go and read the textbook, if you find any new point in the textbook, add it. Value addition. No wastage of time. This I am talking about only world history. Other teachers will tell you about their parameters. In world history, notes is not required. And one more thing, for all the newcomers, if you simply move with the class, simply, I am going to start Industrial Revolution, go back, give 3-4 hours to this chapter, what I have discussed in the class. Consolidated and newspaper, 2 things. Consolidation of the class, consolidation. If again you are asked about industrial revolution, you should be able to answer everything. Consolidate the class and prepare the newspaper. In the month of April, you will have a command on 80% of the syllabus. Selection is on 50%. This can be a very good approach. Move with the class. Don't get panicked. I want to finish everything. Don't get panicked. Have a slow pace. Once you start understanding, increase your pace. Initially have a slow pace. Don't run. Otherwise you will fall. Have a slow pace. Wait. It takes 1 month to understand what this examination requires. Sometimes it takes 100 years. But in 1 month, all those people who have the metal, they will understand. Then you take the pace. Then you start running. Today, don't get panicked. Don't run. Just wait. Listen and move on. 4 subheadings. First subheading, reasons. Second subheading, salient features. Fourth subheading. Now first 2 heading is very simple. It's a general heading. But I do not want to skip them. Third heading is very important. Very important. Evaluation. And fourth heading, industrial revolution in different countries. 5 countries are important. First country, Britain. Second country, US. Third country, Germany. Fourth country, Russia. Fifth country, Japan. 4 subheadings. What is the meaning of these subheadings? That there is a possibility of 4 types of question from this heading. This is the meaning of subheadings. That there can be 4 types of questions. How to prepare this subheading? By the unsolved of GS mains, chapter wise. GS mains, GS. For world history you have to buy unsolved of history optional mains. History optional. Now you are going to prepare a topic, French Revolution. You don't know what to prepare from it. So take out the question bank and take the questions of past 10 years on French Revolution, 2005 to 2015. And once you will take out the questions of past 10 years, immediately you will come to know what to prepare and how to prepare. History optional. Only short notes you take. Don't take the long questions. Short notes. 10 years. Similarly, geography. Same way, his economy. Before going through the topic, take the unsolved and take the questions of past 10 years. Otherwise, you will only underline. You will never know what to prepare. 4 headings. Write down the first heading, reasons. Reasons for industrial revolution. 4 reasons. First reason, ground. Second reason, fuel. Third reason, spark. And fourth reason, fire. This is called as keyword technology. Keyword. Remembering the keyword, and the entire story is based on the keyword. So if you remember the 4 words, you will remember the entire story. First point, ground. This I have discussed. World trade prepared the ground for industrial revolution. Because with the passage of time I said, right, First point, with the beginning of world trade and with the passage of time, with the beginning of world trade and with the passage of time, the demand of goods increased to such a level. The beginning of world trade and with the passage of time, the demand of goods increased to such a level that it went beyond human production. Went beyond human production, and this prepared the ground for industrial revolution. Ground for industrial revolution. Second point, write it, then I will discuss the point. The fuel for industrial revolution. The fuel for industrial revolution was provided by capitalism and a capitalist class. The fuel for industrial revolution was provided by capitalism and capitalist class. Now for this you have to understand the basic difference between pre-modern economy and modern economy. So please draw this figure. Pre-modern economy or feudal economy, modern economy or a capitalist economy. First feature of feudal economy, means of production. At whatever point you have a problem, please immediately raise the hand. Means of production was controlled by craftsmen. So pottery was in the hand of potter. Weaving was in the hand of weaver. Means of production was controlled by craftsmen. Today, means of production is controlled by capitalist class. See the first difference. Clear? First point is clear. Second difference. Production was controlled by craftsmen. Controlled. Production was controlled by craftsmen. Today, you don't have craftsmen, you have workers, and they work on wages.